A Tesla hater decided to vandalize a Cybertruck in Las Vegas, and got instant karma as a result, and it was all caught on camera thanks to Sentry Mode. One thing that never gets old is the fact that these vandals continue to be caught on camera. It turns out this vandal, like many others, was not aware of Sentry Mode and its ability to catch everything on camera. As he sped by the truck on his bike and kicked the side mirror off, only to wreck it. But the vandal was coming in high speed. As he kicked the side mirror, he lost control of his bike and skid on the road. This instance of vandalism against a truck occurred in downtown Summerlin outside of the Apple Store. The vandal has not yet been identified. We would imagine he also has some scraped knees. Tesla Sentry Mode is perhaps one of the most underrated features that the truck offers, and it is unbelievable that people still have no idea that it exists.